Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I've got a quick video on how to diagnose a worn outer tie rod end. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and as always, thank you for watching. Suspension clunks can come from a few different places in your front end, but on this video I'm specifically focusing on the outer tie rod end. The tie rod connects your steering wheel to your spindle and allows you to steer the car. So if you're hearing a clunking while turning the wheel, this is a good place to start. You don't have to remove your wheel to diagnose this, but it does help because then you can see what component has play in it and hear it more clearly. The best way to check for play is to grab the front and rear of your brake rotor or your wheel if you didn't remove it and just rock it back and forth, see if you can see anything moving or hear any clunks. Now take a listen to the noise that mine was making. If there's not play in your tie rod like you see in the video, I would check your end links or your lower ball joint. End links will make noise with surface change like pulling into a driveway or a parking lot, and they can be difficult to diagnose because when the car's up on a jack, you can't repeat the noise. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope it was able to help you diagnose your front end troubles, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.